Hi, my name is Bailey Brazelton, and this is the website that I created. It is called Tiny Desk Studio, and we do design work. Currently, I am focusing on images and illustrations of home states and countries. And so this is my homepage. We have these two ads that emphasize that we do digital downloads, and we also do personalized gifts, which are actually two different pages, so I'll show that. And as you scroll down, you see just examples of some of the pieces, and eventually when I link up my Instagram and get customers, then this hashtag will pull up images here of people and their designs that I made. So when you go to the top, I have two different options that are specifically just about the business and about like monetary means. So I've got my shop, which is pre-designed images, and each of them have their specific keywords. So if somebody were to search Idaho watercolor on Google, that would come up, or this should come up. And then my other page is my custom page, and one of my classmates actually recommended that I do this so that my Google ads would be more specific as far as the landing page went. So that's my second page. I also have a blog page, which eventually will have YouTube videos and tutorials and things like that, and hopefully I'll be able to use advertisements and things like that to create another revenue stream. And then I also use my Google ads. Right now it's paused while I fix it and edit it, but I have this one, which is personalized gifts, which goes straight to my custom pages, and then I have another one that goes to my my shop. So this one, actually I should probably fix that because that's going to my shop too. But yeah, so that's my website.